Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi guys, welcome to the course of Microsoft Office Word 2013. In this course, I am your instructor Basit Imtiaz. I am a Pakistani web designer, web developer, graphic designer, video editor, and a programmer. In the course of Microsoft Word 2013, you will learn many more new things. Our course agenda is, first of all, I will telling you that overview of Word 2013, and after that I will telling you that how to select a text, word, character, paragraph with the help of a mouse and keyboard. And next we discuss about bullets, and after that we discuss about building blocks, how to create different types of building blocks, and how to adding a text and building blocks. And after that we discuss about table formatting, and next we discuss about how to take a screenshot with the help of Word 2013. That's an amazing trick. And next we discuss about picture formatting, how to make a picture into 3D form. And next we discuss about shape formatting, how to convert your shapes into pictures or how to fill your shapes in the form of pictures. And after that we discuss about charts, how to create a pie charts and different types of charts. And next we discuss about headers and footers. And after that we discuss about word count, how to count your documents, all words, characters, paragraphs, lines, etc. And after that we discuss about how to add a picture watermark, on your document. And after that we discuss about page color, how to make your documents or page attractive. And next we discuss about art borders. And after that we discuss about protecting document. And next we discuss about text wrapping. In this course, after completing my course, you will able to create different types of building blocks like this. After completing my course, you will also able to make that types of pictures or other types of pictures and shapes. You will also able to make different types of shapes and convert these shapes into other forms. You will also able to make different types of charts like this pie charts and other types of charts. After completing my course, you will also able to make tables your attractive, and layouts. You will study about complete layouts of tables. That's in many other things. There are many other things that I will telling you in the course of Microsoft Word 2013. So if you are serious to learn Word 2013, so do not waste your time. Join this course and take this course. Okay, best of luck.